Doubt visits, but discipline stays. What I want you to learn from this is resilience. It's learning to bounce back after a bad experience. Being a virtual professional or the freelancing world is not a bed of roses. So maraming frustrations, kung may mga up moments, may mga down moments din ito, makaka-overwhelm. So it's not a bed of roses. It has good promises, but definitely not perfect. So kailangan nating matutunan din yung resilience dito sa mundong ito na ginagalawan natin or being a virtual professional. So, I remember this client na we've been working for 8 years already. Okay kami yung dynamics namin. He's outsourcing a huge article writing, I'm his article writing firm. So, I have a team and then kami yung nagsusupply ng articles sa kanya. But, life happens. Kaya naapektuhan ng isang matinding Google algorithm update yung kanyang SEO business or SEO company, leading for him to close his business. And yun nga, nakakalungkot. I wasn't paid for a very huge amount. Talagang hindi niya nabayaran. I think that time, that was the year to, I forgot the year already, but the amount is almost 100,000 pesos. But, grabe yung impact sa akin because even if that client didn't pay me, I have to pay my staff. I have to pay my writer. So, talagang ginapang ko yun para mabayaran ko. And of course, hindi ako nagpatinag. I still continued to look for clients. I still continued to work. I still continued to write. Actually, kailangan kong gawin nga yun para ma-supplement yung pagbabayad ko dun sa aking mga article writers. Kasi I need to pay them. I need to pay my staff. So, what I'm trying to teach you is, pwede nyo ma-experience yung na-experience ko. Hindi man ganun kagrabe or even pwedeng mas grabe pa doon, but always learn to bounce back. Build that skill ng resilience kasi maraming pwedeng mangyari talaga sa inyo. And lagi lang tayong maging disiplinado. Let's discipline ourselves to learn to bounce back, to be resilient, to just show up, to just continue whatever we want to do, and always think na basta nagtatrabaho kayo ng maayos, basta ginagawa nyo ng mahusay yung inyong mga projects or yung tinitreat nyo ng magandang inyong mga clients, hindi kayo mauubusan. There will be projects and projects and projects for you as long as you have that character, that good character in you. So, if in times of troubles, in times of moments na hindi kayo nabayaran, tinakbuhan kayo ng client, learn the lessons from that, and accept that life happens, it happens, and just learn to bounce back. Kasi definitely meron at meron kang babalikan.